N8N is an amazing tool if you're looking for a low-code platform to build AI agents. But what if you want to try it for free? N8N offers 14 days of free trial, but you want to continue after that, and without any cloud subscription or without any limits. In this video, I'll show you how to install N8N locally using Docker in just few minutes. N8N offers Euro 20 and Euro 50 plan on their website, but if you're just exploring, maybe testing things, and you are not ready to build something which is production grade, there is good news for you. You can use N8N locally, completely free, and the way which I'm gonna show you today is very easy to get started. Just follow along. Now technically N8N is a Node.js package. You could install it with npm, and I have shown that in one of my video. You can watch that. I'll provide the link. But I highly recommend using Docker. Why? It avoids messy dependency issues and gives you a stable, isolated environment that is perfect for testing. We'll start with downloading Docker desktop. Let's visit to docker.com. Click on download Docker for desktop. You can choose your operating system. I'll go with Windows as mine is Windows. Once it finishes downloading, we'll go ahead and install like any other regular app. So the installer is now downloaded. Let's double click to install it. So it's verifying the package and the installation has started. It's asking for certain configuration. I'll keep it default. Meanwhile, if you don't know what is Docker and want me to create a dedicated video on Docker, comment down Docker in the comment section and I'll create a video explaining what is Docker, what you can do with Docker, and how it is helpful for you. After installation, just search for Docker on your system and open Docker desktop. Now it's up to you whether you want to create an account on Docker or you want to skip for now. I'll skip for now. It's fine. Without even logging to Docker, you can probably use it. I'll close this. We are not signed in, but that's fine. We can use it. So Docker desktop is starting the Docker engine. Docker engine is the technology on which this runs. Let me maximize this. And on the left hand side, you see the menu, Docker menu, containers, images. We'll head over to images. Click here on search images to run. And we will search for N8N IO. So this is the image that we want to choose. And once you click on this, you have to just click on pull. This is the official image from N8N. So once you pull, it is getting downloaded and it is being set up. So this is the latest version, as we have selected the latest tag. The last updated was 7 hours ago. So once the image is downloaded, click play button to run it. While you run a new container, you are provided with certain optional settings. You can give your container a name. Let's see, automation feed, port, default is 5678. We'll keep it default and we'll run this container. So it is setting up the container. We are already on the containers tab, and we will see. And we are seeing our container is now running and it is accessible at localhost 5678. Let me click here. As soon as you click the localhost link, N8N opens in your browser and that is running locally. You can sign up in case if you have not already registered. So you will get an option to sign up. Since I have already tried this on with the same localhost URL, I am already registered. My user is already registered with this email ID. As I'm seeing this sign in option rather than sign up. For you guys, if you're trying for the very first time, you will see sign up option and where you can provide all your details and register. This creates your account locally and you are ready to build your first AI agent with N8N. You now have a free local N8N setup with Docker, no subscription, no limits, just full power. If you found this useful, please give it a like, share it with your friends. If you want more N8N and AI automation related tutorials, hit subscribe and comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next.